So hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to explain you how you can fix your HTTPS problem for your blogspot.com. So before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification related to the blogging. So if you are trying to approve your Google AdSense, so you can view our videos, so you will get 100% approved from the Google AdSense. So now let's get into the topic. So here open your blogspot.com and here just scroll down in settings. You will get an options for this blog address, so click on edit. In the previous video we learned how we can change CNAMEs, so in this video let us see how we can link our A records for our domain. So here I am clicking on the paid2free.co, it's my domain. So you can go to your domain. My domain is in my godaddy.in, so I will go into my domain. So click on domain. So here I will get an manage DNS. In the manage DNS section we need to add some server names. I already added it. I will show you how you will get this server names. So here in records you will get, as you can see here, I added 4 records here, so I will show you. So first of all you need to add A records, 4 A records, and you should add your points. These points I will show you where you can get these points, and in TTL you should need to set custom, and records you need to enter 144000. So once you're done with this you can save your records. So you need to add 4 A records to fix your HTTPS problem for your blog. So I will show you where you can get this 4 address. So here, as you can see here you will get an option called setting instructions. So just click on it, you will get a new page. In new page just scroll down below. As you can see here we are getting the 4 A names, so you need to add it there. So here you need to add those 4 names in A record. So here you will get an option to add, so you can click on type, you can click on A and you can add it. So here you need to add it, point 2 you need to add it 4 records, and you can save it so that your HTTPS problem will be solved. Mainly this issues comes when you are approving to your Google AdSense. So when you are approving to your Google AdSense you will get an error called no content. So no content, nothing but this, maybe this problem, you may face this problem, or else if you are facing any other problem related to the Google AdSense, so you can comment below. Surely I will reply to you, and you can visit our paid2free.co which is approved by the Google AdSense. And if you have any queries regarding blogging, so you can comment below. And if you like my explanation, please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.